Okay, I need to bend down again, thank you.
I just help you.
Yeah, I'll say it like that too. You're right, I think it's just the fact that we need to say there's a group of people that have organs, and there's a group of people that want them, but they don't get them.
Can be as easy as like.
Sure, absolutely, use of your space, absolutely. You said you did the opposite, tell me what you did.
Well, when there was more than enough potential donors,
Okay.
He was saying she was having a hard time explaining it, I said you could just do the opposite.
And how?
Organs not had, not donate.
Who? But I don't know who this group is. Are they potential?
Yeah, I said organs have.
Okay.
Organs have.
They do have the organs, right? I thought you said organs they don't have.
And then this group here.
Oh, that's a group that don't have them. Okay. So the remote control, who passed away? Okay, so where's the pass away coming at on this one that you did? No, actually it's the potential donors that die.
Oh, it's not.
Right?
Sorry. All right.
Yes.
Try it with that. See if you can make it work with that. Oh, they just die. We don't will them because they die.
You don't will them.
Right? See, organs they have, and then they die. Okay, very good. That works. So the people, organs they had, and then they die. These people, organs need, and they can't. Yeah. Oh, it's all bug over there. Okay, that works.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of what you said at the first. You said people themselves
Yeah.
organs have, people need donate help too.
Right. So it's keeping those, whatever you're doing, it's keeping your space clear. So, you got to make sure they get all set up quickly. If you don't, if you got to get them set up correctly, because if you don't, you're going to be back and forth, and you're going to get so confused about what am I doing over here? What did I just do? And that before thing is tough to make work. It is tough. So instead of saying before, I do things like first, before you go to the store, hey, first, and then go, as opposed to before. Yes?
So with that whole thing, the family and friends is never really mentioned, right?
And I don't think there are
It was
family
just
friends.
Family and friends haven't been said yet.
No, it's not in there yet.
Oh,
Not yet.
sorry.
Okay? It's coming. 15, 16, 17. 15, 16, 17.
So even
No. What?
it says there are more than enough potential donors pass away each day that could meet all the needs of people on the waiting list. Like that part is important. The fact they could meet all the needs of them.
That's what we said though.
Well, we kind of do when we just say that they don't get them. They could get them, but they don't. So that's what we're just trying to get clear in there. Instead of saying trying to meet their needs, no. It's just they don't get them. Right?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Well, I just feel like
I didn't think
it
you
was
were.
kind of important that if the people who are dying gave them, then it would be more than enough for everyone.
It
And I
doesn't,
don't.
it doesn't say, oh, it does say,
But you're the interpreter.
No, you're the interpreter. I'm the teacher. So you have to. Maybe it will work. Go ahead. Let's.
Well, but I can't do it without putting in like a million signs. I'm
Right.
just asking you.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's just you don't want to overinterpret this. We'll see when we get ready to interpret this. You'll be like, yeah, no. Okay.
I know.
Well, and if you're still not happy with it, we'll revisit it. How's that? All right. Okay. Now the next sentence then. Number 12, right? No.
Instruction.
15, 16, 17. Thank you. 15, 16, 17. Kate.
And then the more I look it up, the more wrong it seems. But I said, because this was like one group of people who had the organs that died. So if they want to donate organs, we don't know.
It looked like to me, it looks like they don't know if they want to donate.
That's what I kept
So,
looking at after.
Okay, so, go ahead, Amanda.
I use a not informed.
Yeah.
So, these are the people that, the potential donors. So have them die, not informed, too late.
Okay, not informed who? Does it say on this one? Or anybody?
Potential donors.
Well, I guess they're, yeah.
Without leaving
The
instructions.
problem is they die without leaving instructions, so that's kind of a vague, yes.
I said that they pretty much they didn't tell family, friends, or doctors.
Or other people. Because we don't, if we don't want to be specific, let's just call them people.
I just felt like we have people here that
We
are
do.
dying, and then we have people here that need the organs, and then we're gonna put like another
We are.
people, and like,
We
oh,
are.
there's people everywhere.
Yeah, there's people everywhere. But I think you're gonna need it here. I think you're
Okay.
gonna need, like, other people, they don't let them know. Yes.
It just seemed like so much. I went from the opposite direction. That it's a problem. Why? They didn't register to be a donor,
Okay. Well, actually,
as opposed to leaving.
well, you're right, because, I mean, if they're a donor, they're a donor. Although, if people don't know that they are, I'm not so sure that information is known. Remember, you have to have your card, and people need to be told. So I think you can register, well, it depends upon how you do it. Now we're getting really deep. I'm not sure that if you register, can somebody register and somebody not know about it and they not take their organs? Maybe.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, if it's not on their license, let's say, whatever, they don't have documentation of it.
That's how my mom is. My mom's a donor, but she doesn't want it on her license because she thinks that they're just gonna like harvest her real quick.
So how does she think they'll know?
My dad and the family members, like we all know that if she does pass, that she wants to be.
What if they can't contact you?
Right, or what if you guys change your mind,
Mm-hmm.
which could happen too. So I think there is that potential. So now we're gonna go back to the sentence and make it easier. Unhard it. So I just think that we need to just say that these people, they donate, they wanted, but other people, they didn't let them know.
But is that what they're saying? That they wanted to donate? Because I didn't take it like that.
That's what
I
I
thought
thought
they
it.
did.
Oh,
That's
no,
why I
you're
said
right,
they
it says
didn't
potential
register.
donors, yeah.
So I
Well,
said-
still though, it's still, to me, it looks like the problem is those die without leaving instructions. Yeah, I think that they wanted, I gather from that they wanted to.
Okay.
Because the potential donor doesn't now just mean that they have the organs. It means that they could have been a donor.
Well, it says
Okay.
that they are prepared to help.
Right, and that's why I
they
think that they
planned-
are.
They
are.
planned
Yes.
to, they just didn't tell.
So I think with that sentence is that they wanted to donate, but other people, they didn't let them know.
Okay. Say that again.
So these people donate, they wanted to, use of space. Other people, they didn't let them know. Okay? Yes.
So is saying like family, friends, and doctors too much?
Oh, no, I think that kind of covers all the possibilities. You could list, by example, I think you could. I think you could. I mean, what else are there? Your enemies, I guess you could say, I think that would be a fair example of people that you would let know. I bet you'll find yourself going other people's quicker. Okay. Number 18.
Huge problem.
Yeah, so the problem is huge.
You just said problem common. I kind of threw a comment in there because it said.
Yeah, somebody else did in yesterday's class too. And they said the problem is really common, like it's all
I
over.
thought you said comma, and I was like, why would you? What? Never mind.
So what I would probably do if I wanted to use that is, the problem isn't common, why wouldn't I do it like this?
Because it's
It's,
Just among us. It's
yeah, it's among
everyone.
us, it's not huge. As the problem is common all over, my common gets bigger. Then I could do it, I think that would work. Okay?
What about the problem is important? Like,
Yeah, I don't know if it's so much important, I just think that we need to know that the problem is really serious. problem is really, the problem is, no. I just think that the problem itself is big.
Can you do like problem?
Yeah, uh-huh.
Just like anything to make it.
Problem is like, whoa. And then probably I would finish it up with a level of, a degree of intensity, which I use this for. A degree of. Okay? 1920. Currently 60,000 Americans are waiting for life-saving organ transplant.
It's very repetitive.
It is. Oh, there's more to come, believe me. It's like, all right, already, we got that. But it is repetitive.
That's what I'm nervous about, like, the whole